Is there Rasulullah is the good person, special person in the world. So I want to, and I will always to keep the mission to spread makarimat akhlak,
Allah.
improving the morality. When I look the crime people or the bad person, bad personality or bad character, the person, maybe I give what the advice for him,
Advice.
and then I pray for him. Oh,
Allah.
give him hidayah.
Hidayah.
Therefore, judge how you are what? Yes, you are
Silent
munafikun,
people,
yeah.
inshallah.
Yes, you are,
Hypocrite, right?
yeah,
Hypocrite. Allahu Akbar.
Or
La ilaha
we judge him
Innocent.
bad character,
Sinner,
and you
pendosa.
hate him. It's the wrong moral
Yeah.
for Allah teach Rasulullah teach us. So because maybe not his moral is bad, but our moral is bad because we feel arrogant. Oh, I'm a pure people. What's that? Pure people. Suci. I don't know. Holy, yes.
Holy
I'm
people.
holy man.
No.
I'm holy people in words.
Noble.
Every when the people have the behavior, the character, he feel the holy man. Maybe he